Let's look at the process of adding a password to a PDF. So with the Security tab open, we'll select Manage Security and then Modify. And for Security Method, we'll select Password Security. First, we'll add a document open password, which will restrict opening of the document to only those that know the password. And we can also select permissions password, which will restrict things like printing and changing the document to only those that know the password. So we'll select OK, and it'll ask us to confirm that document open password and also the permissions password. And as you can see, the security settings will only take effect once it's been saved. Also notice that the document title is now listed as secured. So there you go. It's just that easy.